Qatar Exchange are listed enterprises, the banking sector. They play a very important role. Now, let's look at the banks who are listed. Masraf Al Rayan, Al Khalij Commercial Bank. They are getting into business combination, merger. Qatar First Bank, National Leasing, Dalala Holding, Qatar Oman, Inma. These are the financial services which are already there. Now, major banks have been discussed. You have seen the reflection of various commercial banks. Now, when it comes to the Islamic bank like Masraf Al Rayan, they started operation in 2006. It's a fully Sharia compliant Islamic banking services, offered a broad spectrum of products and services. Now, when it comes to the price, it's quoting at 4.44. Earning per share is 0.07. Price to book value is 4.4 times. Dividend yield is 3.83. Looking at the first quarter, they made a net profit of 574.7 million, comparison to last year 547. Financing activities growth 15.52%, customer deposit growth 14%, both are commendable. Return on average assets continue to be one of the highest in the market, 1.86. Return on average shareholders equity is 16.4. Operating efficiency ratio, cost income ratio is 18.9, which continues to be one of the best in the region. Non-performing financing is 1.05 and the lowest in the banking sector, reflecting a strong and prudent credit risk management policies and procedures. Earning per share amounted to 0.08 and last year was 0.07. As far as dividend is concerned, last year they gave 17%, which is commendable. And the merging partner is Al Khalij. We call it as Next Generation Bank. Al Khalij Commercial Bank offers a full range of conventional banking products and services to premium business, corporate, international customers in Qatar, UAE and France. So they have investments in France and UAE. The market price is 2.175. Earning per share is 0.05. Price to book value is 1.0887. Dividend yield is 2.58. Now, Al Khalij made a profit of 185 million in comparison to net profit of 177 million for the same period previous year. Net operating income for the bank reached 379 million in the first quarter, up 20% compared to the first quarter of the last year. Cost income ratio 24%. Loans and deposit at the bank increased by 11% and 10% respectively. The earning per share is 0.05 and last year also very similar reflection. Dividend, cash dividend was 5.6% for the year ended 2020. Qatar First Bank is a leading Sharia compliant bank based in Qatar that offers investment opportunities in innovative financial solutions with local, regional and international reach. Price 1.89, earning per share 0.029, price to book value 1.8, dividend yield was not there last year. The net profit of 21 million comparison to the net loss of 192 million previous year. The earning per share 0.03 and previous year was negative as we discussed. And when it comes to total income, increased by 7% compared with this previous year. It is an improvement. Total expenses were decreased by 15%. Income from structured products, they were offering private banking suite, has increased by 27% compared to the previous year. Conservative provisions, they have made 203 million no dividend in 2020. National Leasing Ijara holding company was incorporated in 21st April 2003 by the Ministry of Economy and Trade and governed by provisions of the Qatar Commercial Law number 11 2015. The company is involved in ownership, selling, leasing and investing in all type of movable assets in addition to leasing and renting fixed assets. The price is 1.2, earning per share is a contraction, price to book value is 1.2, dividend yield is 2.07. They made a loss of nearly 6 million compared to the net loss of previous year 5.5 million. The loss per share amounted to 0.012 as on 31st March. Again, previous year 0.011. In addition to the proposed dividend, the cash dividend, if you look at last year, they made 0.25. Dalala Brokerage and Investment Holding Company was established in May 2005 to provide brokerage service to investors in equity markets. Price 1.7. Earning per share 0.01. The price to book value 2.2 times. Dividend was not paid last year. The financial statement shows a net profit of nearly 3.9 million, previous year 2.5 million. Surge in brokerage commission and investment income contributed to a small improvement in the profitability. Earning per share 0.014, previous year was 0.009. And that's on the Dalala brokerage. Qatar Oman was established in 2006. Qatar Oman Investment Company core objective is to invest the funds in all type of investment opportunities available in Qatar and Oman. Price 1.07, earning per share 0.018, price to earning 59.5, price to book value 1.07, and profit they made 5.8 million comparison to the previous year 1.8 million. Surge in investments and rental income contributed to surge in profitability. Earning per share 0.018, previous year 0.006. No dividend again last year. Inma Holding, a brokerage service company that offers a brokerage services for individuals, and this was established in 2003. Price quoting at 5.03. Earning per share is 0.02. Price to book value is 2.52. Dividend 1%. Net profit of 1.2 million. Comparison net profit of 275,000 for the same period previous year. Earning per share amounted to 0.022. Previous year was 0.005, and cash dividend of 0.05. So these are the listed enterprises. Now we have covered all the sectors, major sectors. We have seen how robust Qatar market is all about. All the 48 companies have been performing reasonably well. The overall market, if you look at it, the price to earning, price to book value is grossly underrated, with the growing opportunities in Qatar, underlying economic fundamentals for long-term sustainable revenue stream. I'm sure in the coming days more and more listed enterprise will enroll, and the status of the current market will also improve in terms of the overall investments and the set standards for ESG compliance, international regulatory alignment in terms of trust and transparency, disclosure principles are all going to be a major ignition for Qatar Exchange to stand top. With the opening of the market 100% for foreigners, this is going to be a further opportunity for international investors to flock this market.